1764 Eglinton West. This is where you are gonna find your Caribbean slice. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, the real Princey, Princess P Princey in a real life. And today my boo and I, my boo-boo, my husband, say hi husband. Hi husband. So we're going to this restaurant called Caribbean Slice. It's such a new idea. I mean, we Caribbean and we left us some pizza. So isn't that like a genius idea? So we're heading over there now for the tasting. The grand opening is on March 19th, 2022.
What are you doing, bro? What are you doing, bro? Like, my lane's ending. You done?
No, but people can't drive, huh? People can't drive. For real. Anyways, I'll let you know when we get there. Don't forget to stay with me if you're here and you have not yet subscribed. Welcome and stay a while. Subscribe, like, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Do it. So we're here. We've made it. There we go, nice and bright. Caribbean Slice. We just waiting for some parking. This is the street. We're on Eglinton West. Should I cross at the light or should I jaywalk? If I jaywalk in my video and the officer sees me, can I get arrested? That is the question. Oh boy. Fit. Take it on easy. We are. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Go ahead.
Okay, thank you.
Look who it is. Oh, hey there, buddy. It's my friend.
Yeah.
It's my friend. Oh. Alright, let's see the menu now. Pizza's like this. Cheese pizza. Jerk chicken. I told you, pepperoni, cheese. These are your toppings to create your own if you wanted to?
Yeah. So you have you build your own pizza if you want, or you can get the signature which we already customized.
Okay. Loaded fries. That sounds like appetizing. Regulate that one. Do you know what you want? Okay, over here. What in one topping special? This is good. Grapefruit mix up. And these are all the drink flavors.
I like it.
A lot of drinks. Which one you want, dear? This one? This?
Yeah.
I kind of want tropical, but then I want the rum punch. And then I want a ginger. Ginger, rum, or tropical. Those are my top. And try cheese. One point? Or tropical? Okay. You have your own sauce? Oh wow. Bombastic everything seasoning. Wow. And hot for no reason, hot sauce.
Tell him what you want.
Just hot for no reason. No, that's all.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the sweet one, sweet barbecue sauce.
I want wings and loaded fries. Dwayne ordered the pizza. I'm gonna have wings and loaded fries and we're gonna share. That's how we do it, sharing. Because we share everything. Honey drip?
Honey jerk.
Honey jerk? Oh, but I don't like jerk.
Okay, so then go for.
I'm so indecisive.
You don't want hot, right?
No, I don't really like hot.
Honey garlic.
That's basic.
You know what?
Let's do
Tangy ting. Try tangy ting.
tangy ting.
I like tangy ting.
That's like barbecue but kind of sweet and
Yeah, you like that?
because like I'm a tangy ting. So maybe that's a good little flavor for me. I'm a little tangy, yes? Okay, I'm gonna go with the tangy ting sauce. I think that will be good. Try a ting with the tangy ting. Ooh, nice. So this is the oxtail one?
Yeah.
It's good stuff?
Yeah.
I like that it's warm too.
Yeah.
Good. Yummy. The patty pizza. Because that's like signature. You know what I mean? That's like you guys only. Patty pizza. You wouldn't find that anywhere else.
You can't find any rest of anywhere else.
Yeah, so I definitely want the patty pizza. Oh, you want on it? Cheese? Cheese? You put cheese on it? Okay, cheese.
Yeah, where's this? Nobody's like cheese? Yeah, can that work? Yeah, cheese. What else are you saying?
Okay. What's that? Jerk chicken? That's jerk? Yeah. That's good. That's enough. What do you want, Dean? Put the plantain. Are you gonna warm this up after, right? Okay, good. Yeah, plantain. Sweet. Jerk and pineapple is nice. Pineapple, please. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good with that. Yeah, I like my sauce. Sweet barbecue is nice.
No, tangy ting.
Oh, okay, tangy ting. Both of them are nice though. One was on the fries and one was on the wing.
Oh yeah, no, they're both nice though.
For both of them. Both of them is fine. Yeah, that's good. What's that? Let me see. What are those wings?
Honey garlic.
Oh, okay. Nice. Yes, please. We off our diet today. The diet is gone through the window. Just for one day. Ooh, it smells like patty. It's the pizza patty. Pizza patty and cocoa bread. All right, D. Taste it first. That is all for our Caribbean slice tasting. It was really good. Actually, like, guys, I'm not even lying. It's actually super tasty and really, really good. So they open March 19th. You have to come out to Caribbean Slice. Everybody, bring your mama, bring your papa, bring everybody out to Caribbean Slice on March 19th and going forward. And that is 1764 Eglinton Avenue, 1764 Eglinton West. This is where you are gonna find your Caribbean Slice. It's your girl, the Real Princey. Big up on my real ones. You don't know, so I real recognize real in our real life. Yeah. Bye. Boy. Yeah. You can't say